Dalawa, mama, bago yung tatlo.
Kamay-kamay mo na.
Kuya mo.
I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work.
Kaya pila-pila.
First, I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit.
Ay, ano na to yung ano?
Deep inside won't
Yung ano na to yung manulupon sa
I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to
Kasi akin ka na pala. Oo, malakas lang.
resurface a heart attack.
Pero lipat na ito.
Sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Yung ano na guys. Bibili tayo ng paper plate. Para may pangain tayo. Alam.
Bakit na niya eh?
Koji? Kasi nandito tayo 7-Eleven, looking tayo ng paper plate. Para pagkain natin mamaya, may plato tayo. Wala makita pre?
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.
Kaluyan ka ni Claudio ng directions ng Tanda ba?
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Sa Indonesia.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Yun, so guys, nandito na kami sa aming destination. Ito yung mga ating gwapong kasama. Kuya Bornok, paring Mark Hill, Flo G, yun o.
Hindi ko masisi kung ba't ganito.
Muntik na kami makalat ng aso.
Oo.
Russell, paring A. Siyempre ako, ang
Paano
bida.
iikot eh? Puto, malaking tao itong dalawan to. Paano kayo ikot to? Mas lalo ako.
Ay, tama, taratala kayo doon. Hindi nyo may attract yung mga wala. Hindi nakagaling si Udok eh.
Borok, hindi alam ko ano gagawin.
Paano makakapit? Siya lang sa pinakauna.
Steady siya din eh. Nakita ko yung reaction niyo.
Ay, ay, ay. May bayad nga pala yan. No? Kayo naman, may bayad nga naman.
Gober na ba? Hindi ba may pwede pag-uwi?
Mayo barbecue.
May.
Tosaw. Ipay ko. Oh.
Sa yung isang daan na?
2, 4, 6, 600. Ito na muna para isang ano. Para ano lang doon mamaya.
Sama na rin sa bike sa dito. Paano yung kanta? Gagawa na. Ano yung kanta, Claude?
Oh. Oo. Bayad tayo 100 isang tao.
Saka, umel, saan?
Sishe. 100 isang tao, bale 600. Anim kami. Sishe. Okay. Kahit saan daw dyan, pwede. Kahit doon sa tubig. Mamaya pupunta tayo ron sa ano, pre. Doon sa may falls na malaki. Maganda ron. Pwesto tayo, pwesto. May Pinoy siguro dyan, may naka-force eh. No? Dalawa eh, naka-force. Baka yung nandun, baka nandun yung sumitubig. Doon sa may ano doon, ilog. Doon kasi maganda maligo. Daming butterfly oh. Flying high butterfly. 100 per tao lang ang siningil sa atin kasi hindi tayo magba-barbecue. Dito na tayo pumesto. Para makakain na tayo.
Pilipino daw, ganun tugtog yun.
Oo nga. Tagalog eh. Ang gagawin, hindi kakain ha.
Hindi nyo, alam, apaw eh.
Iba natin itong lasa eh.
Sa CCTV ka mare-review doon pare?
Nalagyan mo na.
Bakit ba? May bayad?
Hindi, binayaran namin. Bali sandaan.
Sabi nito pare.
Oo.
Sabi
Oo.
nito. Pare, kumbukin mo na para sulit. Kinakala ko na.
Ha? Oo, tingko. Ay, si Floji oh. Nagano si Floji ng aming lagayan ng... Makakain na tayo.
Ganyan pa, pre?
Ang ating food for today.
Ang pangalan mo nagbigay ng karamansi. Walang ano?
Hindi, nainita na yan.
Walang butas?
Walang butas. Kinakagat daw yan. Meron tayong panghimagas oh. Oh.
Gat.
Meron ba tayong snacks?
May nasigla dyan.
Yung manok, dalawa pa lang yan, meron pang isa. May ubas pa. Ubas ba to, pre? Aba.
Meron to ito. Ito mo to ba to?
Oo, meron pa.
Dapat lang.
Tatag na. Oh, sige, dito.
Pinakalim mo yan.
Kanin ah.
Thank you, Andrew.
Parang halong-block. Halong-block, pre.
Halo, halo. Hintayin natin para masarap-sarap. Kagatin mo muna. Are.
Daliri.
Yeah!
Go.
First bite.
First time. Guys, nandito na kami. Bababa na kami ng waterfalls. We're here. Papuntahin doon. Ha? Sagdana no? Daan-daan lang. At madulas. Ayun na sila oh. Oh. Ayun oh. Sarap oh. Woo!
Amay? Yaman na Mike.
Oh, malamig yan. Nanginginig na si Floji oh. Dapat nag-jacket ka.
Masarap pa dito doon. Lalim doon. Lalim doon.